Hey, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am excited to share with you the new LifeWave Brand Partner Enrollment Kits. They are rolling out on September 30th, 2024, and I'm fired up. Hey, just a little background here. So why are these enrollment kits changing? Well, the company has to address some regulatory concerns. They're trying to streamline the sign-up process, which is what I am most appreciating about this, that we'll just have 3 options to share with people, make it much simpler in terms of getting these enrollments done. And they're trying to encourage premium pack purchases. So I'll give you a second to read all these details, but that is the top line on what is going on and why changes needed to be made. But it is such a good thing. And so here are the key changes. So there's a reduction in the number of packs. They're removing essentially the bronze kit and the platinum pack, and really still more or less offering silver, gold, and diamond. And they've given these packs new names. We'll get to that in a second. The product introduction bonuses, those are going to be paid on the core, advanced, and premium enrollment packs fully to the sponsor. And so before, there was some sharing of the product introduction bonuses with upline that were managers or higher, and that is no longer going to be the case. Brand partners need to be, this is just a reminder, brand partners need to be compensation plan active. That means you have purchased 55 personal volume points in product in a rolling 31-day period to receive product introduction bonuses. So make sure you're active before you have someone go to your replicated website or you help them get enrolled. Make sure you're active so you can take advantage of the product introduction bonuses. Bonus update. So diamond and platinum fast start bonuses will be removed. That's not going to be there anymore. Cycle bonus, a brand partner will need 1 personally sponsored active brand partner on each leg to get the binary cycling bonuses. And 3rd level matching bonus qualified will require 3 personally sponsored active brand partners. So matching bonuses to qualify for that at the 3rd level or your 3rd generation, to get matching bonuses on those folks, you are required as their upline, like 2 levels above them, you are required to, yes, have 3 personally sponsored active brand partners on each leg. Okay, and then rank requirement updates. The manager and director rank qualifications now will require a lifetime PV of 300. And I'll tell you that the advanced kit, which essentially is almost exactly, but a little bit different, but it's more or less the equivalent of the old gold kit, that will give you the lifetime PV of 300. And for rank requirements, existing gold and above pack purchases, the pack will continue to meet the rank requirement. So if in the past you were a gold or higher in terms of your pack purchase, you are good. You don't have to buy anything in addition to have the manager and rank and director rank qualification met in that regard. Also, manager director rank qualifications will no longer require silvers on each leg. Instead, you just need active brand partners, and you'll need 2 for the rank of manager and 3 for the rank of director. Okay, so our discontinued packs are the bronze and the platinum. Those are going away. And here's the new pack structure. It's very simple. We just have the starter pack for $25, which is essentially an enrollment fee. The annual enrollment fee for LifeWave Brand Partners is $25. That fee is actually built into these packs, core, advanced, and premium. So someone does not need to buy a starter pack plus one of these other packs. This starter pack fee of $25 is in each of these kits. So again, the starter is just really a enrollment fee, and you will get no product with it, no business volume, no product introduction bonuses associated with it. The core pack is going to be $295. You'll get either 3 sleeves of X39 or X49, or you can get 6 sleeves of all of our first generation or regular types of patches in this kit. The business volume is going to be 180, which is more than what we got before for the silver kit. The product introduction bonus is going to be $35. The advanced pack is going to cost $535. You can put either 6 sleeves of X39 or X49 in it, or 12 sleeves of the other kinds of patches. And the business volume, 300. That is the lifetime PV of 300 that they're saying is a qualification to be a manager or director. And if you'll notice, it's more volume again than we used to get for the gold kit. So that is lovely. The product introduction bonus is $75 on that one. And then the new premium pack, this one is at a new price point, a little higher than before, $1,750. You can put 20 sleeves of X39 or X49 in it, or 40 sleeves of our regular patches. And real quick, I'm going to pull up a calculator here on my computer, and I'm going to take 1,750, divide that by 20. And this kit is a really good deal because you're getting the X39 patches. Say you fill this whole kit with X39. The price per sleeve, and each sleeve has 30 patches in it, it's a month supply, would be $87.50 per sleeve versus $99.95, which is the regular wholesale price. The business volume is huge on this one. It's 745 points, a lot more than we got before. The PIB, product introduction bonus, is $405. Now, this business volume, that is going to keep you active and qualifying to be a manager if you meet the other requirements for 3 months. The first month, it's going to give you 525 business volume points. The second month, 110, and the third month, 110. The product introduction bonus, the cool thing about that is you don't have to share that with anyone in your upline. So before, the product introduction bonus on a diamond kit was 500. But if you were the person who sponsored, you weren't a senior presidential director, or within the first 14 weeks of being a diamond kit owner, then you got, as a sponsor of a diamond kit, 200, and they split the remaining 300 with managers and upline that had a rank that are above you. Now that is not going to be the case. There's no sharing here. Whoever brought this person into LifeWave, the sponsor of this premium brand partner, is going to get $405. So I think that's going to be very motivating for brand partners to bring people in as premium brand partner kits, and I'm really excited about that. So here's just a little overview again of the kits, just so you can see they're the core, the advanced, and the premium. The core is going to cost $295. The advanced is $535, and the premium is $1,750. And with that, I just want to delve into, again, these rank qualifications because it's really wonderful how they've adjusted this. So to qualify as a manager, which is the first rank, you need to have active status. You have to have either purchased a gold pack or upgraded to that at some point or higher, or have a lifetime PV of 300, which would be this advanced pack that will give you 300. This will give you a 700 and what was it? 745. Yes. So advanced or higher will give you that qualification. And then also as a manager, 110 rolling personal volume points in a 31-day period is required. And you need 2 personally sponsored active brand partners on your left leg and 2 personally sponsored active brand partners on your right leg. These are all the manager qualifications. The director qualifications are very similar, except you need 3 personally sponsored active brand partners on each leg. And that's just a little different than before, because before they said they had to be silver enrollees or higher. Now, just as long as they're active and to be active in this sense, they just need 55 PV a month to help you meet that requirement. And then they need 1 personally sponsored manager on each leg. That's to make the rank of director. So I am super excited about these new kits. Look at those. This is great. Just so simple. Core, Advanced, Premium. So I'm going to keep saying that so I get it memorized. Core, Advanced, Premium. And I'm going to keep memorizing the new prices. $295, $535, $1,750. Okay. So as brand partners, we got to get that down in our minds and have that rolling off our tongues like we did the other kits. But I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have more educational videos, all things LifeWave coming out in the next weeks and months. And I hope you will follow along on this journey. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I'll see you the next time.